We were working with a large pharmaceutical benefits company. Their main service is to approve prescriptions at drugstores. When you buy a prescription, it has to be approved, and it's their systems that usually do the work on the back end. The system had been built about 12 years ago and was running on some of the original hardware. They had outsourced that hardware to a major, very large company that hosted those systems for them. Because they're old, they paid a premium. They paid a lot more money because these systems had aged and it was more expensive to maintain. We were able to come in and provide them with an assessment to understand what their situation was, do an analysis, and then help them move from those older platforms to newer platforms that were able to reduce some of that cost that they were facing for maintaining and hosting those systems. At the same time, because we were able to upgrade their technology, their performance increased by over 30%. In their case, they were using one of our tools called NXTera, and it provided connection pooling, integration with IBM mainframes at a deeper and faster level than they ever had before. And at the same time, we were able to remove a lot of older parts of the application that were no longer necessary, that created some security risk, and deliver a much more functional and valuable system to them. The bottom line of that situation was that their operators were able to be much more productive and to get the information faster. That made them a hero internally. They loved that. And they lowered their operational and maintenance costs, which was a great benefit to their bottom line.